Hi, my name is Jim Sampson. I'm a superintendent of operations at Molten Niguel Water District. At Molten Niguel, we take great pride in operating and maintaining our water infrastructure system. We regularly test our system to be ready for any emergency. You may occasionally see us working in your neighborhood, operating, testing, or replacing one of Molten Niguel's 21,000 valves. You may have seen these small valve covers in the street in front of your house. These valves allow us to isolate portions of our system when needed. If there's a break or leak in the system, we want to make sure we can isolate that portion of the system to minimize disruptions to our customers and protect our valuable water supplies. Regular valve maintenance ensures that we are ready to respond to emergencies when they occur as quickly as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more information on what Molten Niguel Water District is doing to be ready in the event of an emergency, or tips on how you can be prepared in the event of an emergency, visit our website at mnwd.com. If you have any questions, please call us at 949-831-2500. Thank you and have a great day.